All right, hey again, just a quick one this time. The summer's kind of coming to a close, or will be shortly, and we've pretty much spent the entire summer working on our new API, and that's involved things like fractal noise and Worley noise. We released a few plugins, and we've come up with this new API that has a lot of new objects. It's very object oriented, so that's basically as far as we come. Summer is basically our downtime. We don't react well to summer heat around here. We grew up in Florida, of course. So anyway, it's just a quick rundown of what the latest changes are. We've added some new gradient types, such as circular and the sweep. The gag here is that the colors are based on the angle from the center, sort of like a clock face. That can be useful for a lot of things. There's a twirl gradient, and those of course all can be done not by a lookup table, but by programming gradient stops. That makes it something that's more immediate, something that users will be able to interact with without having to go to a setting or a preset file in the future. So that's something that's going to be very important, and that basic concept and throughout the program is going to be very important throughout in the future. So keep an eye out, keep your eyes open, and think of areas where the program could be improved by improving immediacy and that sort of thing. And also coming is the integration of our object loader into a sort of a 3D. There's a 3D aspect to our new drawing routine, so it can draw in either 2D or 3D, and that'll hopefully be sort of a launching place where we can create a sort of a mid-level 3D API. Previously, our 3D API was based on it was basically the vector math and matrix math, and a mid-level API would be more of something like an object loader, a a, a, a non-fixed function drawing routine, basically a programmable pipeline where you can draw 3D in a more flexible manner. And of course, that's something we continue to work on. You can see we have our little teapot, and you can see the perspective is affecting it, and you can see it's not really high performance API, but it's something we can use. It'll probably be for simple scenes like motion graphics, and maybe we can do some basic scenery with it. So no telling really at this point. It's what we spend the summer on, and as I say, we're not summer people around here. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later.